Hi Virgos, this is Star with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly forecast for August 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being called upon to use Oracle decks. This is the Love Oracle deck. We also have Celtic Lenormand for a quick message. Besides, we'll wrap up this reading with a message from the Butterfly Oracle deck. Virgos, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order. So please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading without wasting any further time. Towards the final days of July, stepping into August 2021, we have the Emperor card. Certainly, in this time, Virgos, you were being called upon to have a more cooperative approach. Maybe some people were turned off because of your dogmatic way of working. Ideally, I think collaboration would have benefited you. This was also a good time for work in progress. Maybe some of you could also have been dealing with health concerns. Interestingly, you were also somebody who was being provoked to retaliate. Perhaps your temperament was suspect in this period. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the Queen of Cups. Again, you'll be quite sensitive, so you need to be mindful. Maybe it's best to let sleeping dogs lie. Maybe somebody could also provoke you to react. I think you're going to be very creative and imaginative in this month, but you're also sensitive to criticism. You could also be dealing with a woman who could be stirring up trouble in your life. Influences for this month, we have the Five of Swords. Largely Virgos, I think you need to weigh your words very carefully. Maybe sometimes you could be accused of meddlesome behavior. So it would be prudent to avoid misunderstanding. Maybe you should refrain from passing comments even though you have the best interest of the other person. Perhaps what you say could light a fire. So it would be best to detach yourself from certain situations. Interestingly, this month you will also get a chance to remedy past mistakes or to undo the wrong that has been done. Surprises are also in store for you. Maybe you could also find yourself getting a bit flustered on account of financial issues which could create discord within your family. There are those of you who could give serious thought to a project or a venture, but then you could also have to deal with those delays. Ideally, I think you should take the chances or you may end up missing opportunities. Virgos, you will also benefit this month on account of your glib talk, so maybe you should use your tongue to good effect. The first 10 days of August, we have the Two of Wands. Perhaps there'll be those days and you'll be having discussions with your loved one about what you should do in life. Like I said, finances could create issues. Maybe you feel that your pockets aren't too deep. Incidentally, I think you should seek assistance from a family member who is willing to be open-handed. I think this person is going to assist you when she comes to know of your predicament. Many of you could also be making your way for an interview in this time, but at the interview, I think you should be more polite. Maybe you should be mindful of whatever answers you give. Perhaps your attitude could irk the interviewer. It is money that motivates you in this time. So in case you feel that the boss is not paying you well enough, you may be looking for other avenues of income. I think you should negotiate and have your way. Incidentally, in these 10 days, there could also be reunions. Maybe you could also be shopping or decluttering your space as well. Towards the next 10 days, that is towards 11th to 20th August, we have the Four of Wands. Surprises are in store for you in this time as well. I think your personal charisma or your charm is also going to be at its peak. And this is certainly going to be observed by those around you. Incidentally, in personal relationships, you can expect criticism from your loved ones. Maybe they misinterpret your words, so maybe you should clarify. Largely, I think in these days, your concern will be about the home. Maybe there are family members who are indisposed. That is why your concern could be towards them. Because you will push the envelope this month, maybe you have a lot to deal with. I think you're also going to seek divine intervention and carry on purposefully. Your competency is definitely going to be noticed by your superior. In fact, he may also consider that you are quite ingenious or that others are aping your ideas. Maybe there are jealous colleagues as well. Many of you could also be dealing with paperwork or technical work. Towards the final days of August, that is towards 21st to 31st August, we have the Ace of Pentacles. Communication is going to increase in this time, but communication is also going to bring you gains. Surely Virgos, you need to capitalize because opportunities are going to present themselves for you. I think you will be elated because you're able to get what you desire. Incidentally, this is also the best time to look for a better job opportunity. In personal relationships also, Virgo, you're being called upon to be more sensitive towards the needs of your mother. Maybe it's not going to be your best period. Perhaps your erratic temperament is also going to have a bearing on your relationships. Simply, it's time to work on your temper. With respect to your love life, Virgos, we have the card reinvention. Certainly, you need to mix things up a bit. Maybe your love life is heading nowhere or it is stagnating. So you need to create romance. There should be more passion towards your person this month. Incidentally, single Virgos, I think there'll be secret admirers this month. Most of them are charmed by your conversational skills. You could also be in an unacknowledged relationship. I think oftentimes you'll be thinking about this person, you want to call him up. However, you are going to refrain yourself. Perhaps you will take a step back because you feel it's not the time to do so. Nevertheless, I think you'll continue to cyberstalk this person. Certainly, there'll be those days when you'll be quite emotional and you'll be yearning for this person. I think a part of you also knows that even though this person is not going to express himself, he is yearning for you. Some of you could also be reminded of your past lover in this month. In case you're in an on-again, off-again relationship, I think this month is a perfect time if you want to reach out to this person. Perhaps the two of you should also apologize for your past behavior and reinvent this relationship because we do have reinvention in your reading. Romancing Virgos, I think your suitor is going to surprise you with gifts. Maybe he is going to flood you with compliments. However, there will be those anxious moments because there could be opposition with respect to your connection. Maybe family elders may get wind of your relationship and they want you to put an end to it. Anyhow, those of you who are romancing, I think you should be more mindful of your words. Perhaps there could be those times when you could ignore this person. Maybe you could say something which could make him recoil in a shell. There will also be those times when your lover could be preoccupied on account of work. So you will have to deal with being all by yourself. Married Virgos, I think your spouse is somebody who's going to assist you at work this month. Like I said, the focus could be on the home. So maybe you're somebody who was going to make some changes on the home front. Perhaps you will live in the home environment along with your spouse. Incidentally, you could also find yourself having arguments with your in-laws. Maybe they are provoking you to react. Sometimes, you could also be a bit exasperated because your spouse conceals things from you. Maybe you think you're being ignored. In case yours is an unhappy connection, I think infidelity could be a factor here. Maybe your spouse or your partner is quite suspicious. At times, you could also be quite hurt because you feel that you're always at the receiving end. I think it's no point overreacting to these situations. Incidentally, your person or your spouse is also somebody who's going to try his best to appease you or try to pacify you as well. Some of you could also be a bit disturbed or distressed because your spouse could talk about your unhappy connection or unhappy relationship with the third person. Basically, you want everything to remain behind closed doors. As a parent, Virgos, you could be concerned about the health of your child this month. From Lenormand, we have this card Rider. I think messages or information is coming into your life in this month. Possibly you're also somebody who's quite energetic. You have to adjust to the changing schedule or the changing circumstances. Maybe you should also go outdoors and participate in sports or exercise. Incidentally, we do have this card, Get Some Rest. Virgos, you're also being asked to recharge your batteries. You need to relax. Like I said, you need to go outdoors. So maybe you should commune with nature or you should take a walk. This could also heal your nerves. Perhaps Virgos, you should also seek assistance from other people who can help you. Maybe you should delegate responsibility rather than take everything on your shoulders. Some of you also being called upon to listen to your body sensation. Maybe the body is asking you to relax or not to overtax yourself. Maybe you should also seek professional help, as this could help you recover your energy. I hope Virgos you liked your reading. This is Char with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye till the next time.